Hey everyone, I'm 7 First Alert meteorologist Mike Taylor, and we're still going to have some showers passing through, maybe even a thunderstorm, but we're not expecting a threat of some severe weather. The bad news is that this system appears to be holding on steady as far as these two fronts are concerned. So the one that we're dealing with right now is going to keep us in play to see some showers, maybe even a thunderstorm. It's just not going to be widespread, just a scattered opportunity for some of us to pick up some rain. And then once we get into the overnight hours, the clouds hang tough. We'll also have a fight of the humidity, which means starting your Wednesday morning, mostly cloudy, a few showers still on radar, and then slowly throughout the afternoon, skies will begin to clear up. And I'm thinking we can squeeze out a clearing afternoon for the northern sections of Metro Detroit. And to be more specific, if you're along I-69 from Lapeer to Port Huron, even from Shelby, Warren, and Pontiac, your skies are going to clear before areas like Ann Arbor, Westland, Detroit, Monroe, as well as Adrian. So from a north to south transition, we'll slowly clear the skies up, and things look to be mostly clear by the time we hit your Thursday and beyond. So we're getting there. It's just a slow go. 60 degrees for tonight, possible shower overnight. Winds are going to be fairly light. Once we get into the day tomorrow, a high temp of 80. Isolated rain in the morning, which could linger into the early afternoon hours, and then we'll be clearing from north to south. And then looking ahead here, we'll have a few opportunities of some showers for the days ahead, or not so much for the days ahead, before your Wednesday in the morning. Then after that, we clear things up through the weekend, and rain returns for the start of next week. Hey, thanks for joining us here at WXYZ.com to get your forecast information. Next planned update will be by Kevin.